Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance Yurt 574s. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at probably a sneaker that I've been wanting since last year, because these originally came out in October 2021, and I'm a big fan of SALEHE BEMBURY. These are, of course, his New Balance Yurt 574s, and we are lucky, I guess, to get a pair in my size. And we've got these Yurt 574s in the US men's size 8. It's a European 41.5. And it's a US men's, oh forgive me, it's a UK 7.5. And we got the grey colour. Before we get an unboxing, guys, let us take a look at the box. It's beautiful artwork, so you can see it here. And I know what you guys are wondering, what is a yurt? You can obviously see the writing that's there. But yurt is this circular tent that is often used by nomads in countries like Mongolia and prolifically in Turkey. And you can see the sense of adventure in the box itself, and it's thoroughly designed in the shoe. You can see the designs from SALEHE's mind, what he's trying to incorporate in regards to adventure, hiking. It's all found in the sneaker, which we will get to when we do the unboxing. But you got the Peace Be the Journey right there, so it's part of, obviously this is the second collection. It is the run up to the Water Be the Guide, which I would love to get my hands on a pair of the New Balance 2002 Rs, which were the first drops from SALEHE BEMBURY. And I'd love to get those turquoise colors. If anyone can help me out, I need a 7.5. Let's go unboxing. And you've got more of the artwork here, and here we go. Oh, look at these are beautiful. I know I keep saying SALEHE BEMBURY a lot, and for those that don't know, he is probably one of the most iconic footwear designers in the industry. He is the vice president of Versace footwear design. He's done tons of work with Yeezy, done the Crocs, which I would love to get a pair of. His SALEHE BEMBURY Crocs are beautiful. It's those Polex ones, wonderful. And he's done the Antler range as well. He's done tons of designs, really admirable and desirable sneakers. Again, guys, because they were a collaboration with SALEHE BEMBURY, these have sold out. The resale market, they just keep on going up. And these are a beautiful crafted sneakers. So we'll get into all the details right now. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. For those that don't know, the silhouette of the sneaker is a 574, more exaggerated, built to the way that SALEHE BEMBURY himself, how he wants it to be. We've done some 574 reviews, so check those out if you get a chance. But again, we've got this beautiful wonder child between New Balance and SALEHE, and the only thing that's recognizable from the 574 is the outsole. So if you look at the shape of the 574, it's pretty much the same shape on this outsole, all rubber. You got the New Balance like shank plate there, it's on plastic, and the New Balance logo on the heel. Moving along on to the midsole unit. So this midsole unit is made out of a foam, and you've got two parts of New Balance technology. You've got roller bar there for the foundations, for your structure of the sneaker, and for your comfort, you got the New Balance Absorb, which is found in a lot of New Balance sneakers. Moving along onto the upper, so you've got an exaggerated 574 design, and you can prominently see by the back here, there is something right there, which we will get into in a moment, but I just want to talk about the cuts and materials that are used. The upper is made out of a blend of materials. You got your suedes, you got your leathers, and you got your meshes. So if you look on the toe box, you can see a lot of the mesh there, perforated. You got reflective strips of 3M there, hairy suede making the outer, beautifully cut in this grey colorway. The other colorway, for those that are wondering, and we are hoping to get our hands on for a review, is a green. Look at the New Balance, so you got again reflective N. Right here on the lateral side, you got the SALEHE BEMBURY tag there. The strips of the hairy suede continues all the way to the back, as well as the meshes. The tongue, very nicely padded. The lacing system with these flat laces to ankle support, very nicely padded. And we come to the heel. So for those wondering what is this plastic thing, it is a whistle. It's fully functional. And the reason why SALEHE BEMBURY put something at the back here is because he was inspired by the Nike ACW Vomeros, and for those that don't know, those were made by his good friend Samuel, great British designer. And essentially on that Vomero ACW there is just a block at the back and it does nothing, literally nothing at all. So SALEHE thought when he was designing this a sneaker, I believe the story goes he just puts a whistle on the back of a 574, whistled into it, and it just blew everyone's minds in the New Balance meetings. So that gives it its use. The whole aesthetic of the sneaker is a hiker. Even the yurt, the name itself, sense of adventure, using that tents for the outdoors. And the whole marketing campaign of these yurt 574s, it came out with a clothing range as well. It's all hiking inspired, Gorpcore as well. Like, guys, I'm big into Gorpcore nowadays because of my Salomons as well. And we've done tons of reviews for these hikers and sneakers, trail runners as well. It's only fitting that we do probably one of the most hyped versions in the 574s. And because of, you hear tons of stories about hikers getting lost. So what better way to draw attention for yourself if you don't have your phone, but to whistle. So I'll demonstrate the whistle. It's quite shrill. It sounds like a bird whistle. And here we go. Very loud and shrill. I can't tell if you can tell by the mic picking it up, but yeah, it's very shrill and loud, and it's a great concept to have. Obviously it's a bit unsanitary because if you're hiking, it's going to be a lot of dirt, so I suggest you give it a little clean if you are hiking. I won't be hiking, I'm going to be flexing in these. And what better way to have a grey sneaker, because when it comes to grey sneakers you think of New Balance. We've done the 990s Vert V5, so check that out. One of my favorite sneakers of all time. Now that I've got a pair of these 574 Yurts, it's up there, really is up there. Probably one of the best collaborations in regards to sneakers of 2021. Again, it just recently came out in the year 2022 here in the UK, but these came out in 2021 in the US. And I can't wait to try these on, guys. This is, for me, probably one of the best sneakers. I'm so grateful that I'm able to get something that was designed by SALEHE himself. Big shout out to SALEHE BEMBURY. Hats off to you, mate. You are probably one of the greatest sneaker designers in the world at this moment of time. So I'll roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a true to size New Balance fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and my toes are where they need to be. In regards to the comfort of these sneakers, these are really comfortable. Did not mention how great the insole is. It's just really supportive, and there feels like these orthopedic beads, much like you'll find on a pair of Crocs. You see these raised dots. You can see it faintly on the insole, and you've got the SALEHE BEMBURY New Balance logo on the insole as well in this blue, beautiful. If I ever get lost, guys, I know what to do. Get these off my feet, give the whistle a little clean, and whistle for help. These are really dope on as well, guys. One of the most unique sneaker designs of the year, ever made even, and I'm just so glad that I've got a pair of SALEHE Bemburys. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Thank you SALEHE Bembury if you're watching this. Love your designs, my man. You make the best sneakers ever. With all that said, like, comment and subscribe, all that jazz. Till next time, peace.